In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conditionally change font color and tooltip in Tableau. This is a great way to make your data more visually appealing and intuitive. So, let's get started by launching the Tableau app on your computer. Once you have Tableau open, the first thing you need to do is access your worksheet. This is where all the magic will happen today. Next, to set the foundation for our data visual, you're going to drag a dimension like order date to the column shelf. This step will begin organizing your data chronologically across the top of your visual space. Now, to further categorize your data, drag another dimension, such as product category, over to the rows shelf. This will help segregate the data vertically, making it easier to compare and contrast different product categories over time. Once your dimensions are in place, it's time to bring in some measures. Go ahead and drag a measure, like sales, into the marks field and set it to label. By doing so, you'll see the actual sales figures appear on your chart, providing numerical context to the visual data. Now we'll create a calculated field to enhance our data visualization further. Click on the Analysis tab and select Create Calculated Field. This will bring up a new window where we can input our formula. Label this new calculated field as KPI, which stands for Key Performance Indicator. It's a handy name to remind you that this field is central to your data analysis. In the input area, go ahead and type your query, something that will conditionally change the appearance based on your data requirements. Once you're satisfied, click OK to create the calculated field. Now, take the newly created calculated field and drag it into the marks field, setting it to color. By doing this, your data points will change color according to the conditions set in your query, making it easier to spot trends or anomalies at a glance. To add even more depth to your visual, drag a measure, such as quantity, to the marks field and set it to size. This will adjust the size of the data marks, giving another layer of context to your visualization. With these elements in place, change from automatic to bar in the marks type. This will give your chart a clean bar graph style, perfect for comparisons. Once you've done that, click the drop-down next to quantity, go to measure, and select minimum. This adjustment is crucial for setting the baseline of your data set. Finally, you can make adjustments to the size of your bars to fit your visual preferences more precisely. This allows you to emphasize or de-emphasize specific data points as needed. And there you have it, a beautifully tailored Tableau visualization with conditional formatting to highlight key insights. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.